I'm John Batchelor. Ebola, much on the minds of Americans because of the scattershot edicts delivered by governors over these last days, and now the CDC responding with recommendations, guidelines. The important thing is back in West Africa, the pandemic is out of control, has been for several weeks. The global response inadequate, and it might not have ever been adequate to the scale of the threat. The number of Ebola patients is doubling every 21 days. That's according to estimates. We recently have a case of a grandmother taking a 2-year-old in a cross-national boundary bus trip to Mali, where the 2-year-old perished with Ebola. What we're now seeing is that 254 million people of West Africa are at risk from a pandemic that cannot be contained with any regular means. Can they militarize fast enough? Can they build enough clinics? Can they isolate people? Unlikely. The Ebola pandemic will continue for months, if not years. I'm John Batchelor.